Well, hey there, Cecelia here. I just wanted to send you a quick note to thank you for attending my event for the last 14 days. I hope you got some amazing value from all of the speakers that I presented to you, as well as I hope you took advantage of their free gifts and also started taking action in your business today. I'm sending you this video because some of you have dropped me comments letting me know that either you missed some days or some of you came in late to the party and you didn't get to see some of the videos that happened before you joined Profitable Social Media Made Easy. So to make sure that you get a chance to take full advantage of all 28 amazing speakers that I have presented to you with my interviews, I am giving you a 72-hour pass. That's right. For 72 hours, you will be able to watch every single video. This starts on July 3rd and it ends on July 5th. So if there's anybody you missed, you get a second chance. If there's anybody that you want to see again because you want to take some more notes or get some more value, you're going to have that opportunity. Also, if you want to make sure that you get lifetime access to all of the amazing value shared by these awesome speakers, make sure that you upgrade to VIP. The VIP package includes a workbook, so that way you can keep all your notes together about the speakers, as well as our audio series on how to attract money, luck, and success, the millionaire mindset, and saving money. So with that being said, I just want to thank you again for your participation in this amazing event. I hope you enjoyed this 72-hour replay. Make sure you join our Facebook group if you haven't already, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side. Take care, be well, be safe, and be blessed.